This is how nature works. This is a bug that eats your plants down, all your leaf and all them things. Look what is attacking it. A ladybug is attacking it. You see what I'm saying, guys? So sometimes when you tell yourself that you spraying and trying to get rid of these bugs, some of these bugs are definitely bugs that protect our plant, our food, our vegetables. Look what's going on here. The ladybug is attacking it from eating down your plant. So don't think about it, guys. Think about it. Sometimes we see these beautiful ladybugs around, just going around. Sometimes they're eating our leaf, sometimes they're doing all different things, but at the same time they're actually protecting our food. So we got to be careful of how we spray and how we try to get rid of these bugs, because these bugs help our garden. Look at it, guys. Look at it. If you notice, there is already start eating down the plants, but the ladybug attack it and the ladybug holds on, and now it's just there, not going anywhere. All right, so I'm not even gonna bother with it. I'm gonna just let the ladybugs do its job. Look at this, guys. This is amazing. So we have a lot of wanted bugs and we have a lot of unwanted bugs in our garden. We got to know the difference, and we cannot be spraying and getting rid of the wanted bugs because they protect our garden.